guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shohini Chanda and I hope you guys all are doing well. So I'm finally in my new home. Okay, let me just make it clear. मेरा घर अभी तक पूरा ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. There's a lot of work to do. My studio is incomplete. So this is not my usual background, you guys know. So घर पे सिर्फ living room का area settle हुआ है. So that's where I'm filming right now. But yes, stay tuned. I will do my house tour very soon. And yes, I hope you guys will like it too. Anyway, today I am going to create this Janhvi Kapoor's makeup look, which is so stunning. She looks absolutely beautiful. So that's what we are going to create, and it's a beautiful festive look which is very simple yet very elegant. So let's just get started. Of course, her skin is glowing like goddess, so I want that glow, and I'm using my favorite D'Alba First Serum Spray. So just few sprays of this on my face, and I'm just going to wait for a few minutes so that it settles down and gives me a very nice glow. And I do like this background. Sofa ke samne बैठी हुई हूँ, and this coffee table is like my table right now, which is working so fine with me. Anyway, so for my illuminator today I'm using the e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter. You guys know how much I love this. This one is in the shade number 4, which is medium. I'm just going to apply this on my face. Now you can mix it with your foundation if you want to get that luminous glowing skin. I'm just using my Mars brush. This is BRF number 10 and I'm just going to blend it. ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. Even I like the Mars one, even the Inside Cosmetics one. You guys already know that. But this one just gives you a very nice glow, and you can see it's like glass skin. Now for my base, of course, I want to wear something which is very sheer, not too high coverage, because I want my skin to peek through and give a very flawless yet even out skin. So that's why I'm using my favorite. You guys again know about this. This is the Elegant Tinted Foundation. The shade I use is Warm Sand. This one gives you a sheer coverage, and if you want, you can build it up for medium coverage as well. And you can see it just melts into my skin. The shade is just perfect match. Alright, for my concealer, today I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Again, this is one of the best concealers out there. And now the shade I'm using is 317, which is I think Almond. Now ये ज़्यादा, oh my god. So I'm just going to apply this जहाँ पे भी मुझे थोड़ा सा highlight करना है, and even I want to cover up my dark circles. Baby, একটা টিস্যু দাও না, এখানে ইয়ে পড়েছে এত. For my blush, I am using the Mars liquid blush. This is in the shade Twilight, and this one is gorgeous. So मैं concealer को blend करने से पहले इसको use करती हूँ, because ये ना और ज़्यादा सुंदर लगता है. Because अगर आप concealer के ऊपर blend करते हो ना, it looks quite harsh, which I do not prefer. So that's why मैं इसको blush को पहले apply कर लेती हूँ. This shade is definitely very nice, and ये थोड़ा सा luminous finish भी देता है. Now it's time to blend my concealer. मैं ना ये same brush को use करने वाली हूँ. You can use this brush to blend your foundation, your primer, your illuminator, contour, everything. मुझे इतना कुछ share करना है about my house, but I'm not able to. And क्योंकि मुझे ना ऐसा होना चाहिए कि मैं रिलैक्स करके आप सबसे बात कर पाऊँ, मैं वो रिलैक्स ही नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, which is going to take some time of course. Now you can see the concealer has blended beautifully. अभी जो भी brush में product है ना blush का, I'm just going to blend it so that it looks seamless. Now we are going to set our face, of course, and I'm using the Fit Me Loose Powder by Maybelline. Again, my shade is 20 light medium. I love this one. Even I love the Huda Beauty one. अगर आप Huda Beauty नहीं खरीदना चाहते हो, definitely you can go for this one. It's very nice. So मैं थोड़ा सा powder puff में लूँगी, हाथ में थोड़ा सा smoothen out कर दूँगी, and excessive जो भी होता है ना वो भी निकल आता है. Now I'm just going to press it down, and थोड़ा सा इधर and forehead पे भी, क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा sweat करती हूँ. As I do not have any highlighter, so I'm going to use my favorite ColourPop eyeshadow for my highlighter. This one is called Ritz. This is the shade and it's stunning. Oh wow. It's little glittery because it's an eyeshadow, but I don't mind. You can use any highlighter you want. Alright, for my eye makeup I'm using this one. This is the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette. Okay, for my crease I will be using this mauve and this one mixed together. And for my shimmer I will be using this shade. Now I'm just applying the shade on the outer part of my eye and then slightly blend it on the crease. Now just adding a little bit more and I'm just blending it with a bigger blending brush on my crease. Just going to add the shimmer shade on the inner part of my eye. Okay, now I'm just going to apply a little bit of liner. She has a very thin liner going on and a little bit of kajal as well. So for kajal I will be using my favorite Renee Midnight Kohl kajal, and for my liner I will be using the NYX Epic liner. For mascara I'm using my favorite Huda Beauty mascara. This is the One Coat Wow mascara. Okay, I'm definitely going to wear some falsies, but before that, she is wearing a beautiful, stunning lip shade, which is very slightly pink, but glossy as well. So I'm going to mix two shades. So first I'm going to use Brown Sugar. It's like a brown nude lipstick. And then I'm going to top it off with a gloss. And this formula is just my favorite. Just a little bit of color, nude color. And this one is the Iba Must Have High Shine Gloss in the shade Mocha Glaze. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this. I think I need more pink. Maybe I'm going to add this lip shade as well. This is Parul Kirk Silk Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Fire Lily. I'm just going to add a little bit. This one is more pink. Yes, I think this will work. Now I'm going to set my face using the Mars Seal the Deal setting spray. Shake it well. Alright, that's it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will be leaving all the links down in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you guys want me to recreate more looks, do let me know in the comment section below. And I will see you guys again on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye bye.